Good morning, guys.
Hi guys!
Hello.
Today is a good day because we are excited.
Yes, because we are going to visit some kitties
Yes, we want to adopt one or two or three
or a whole kitty family.
and we want to check if they give it to us.
Yes, we are very excited. Let's go.
Yes, we arrived at this place and so we have three cats that we want uh,
To visit?
to visit. One is a red one, it's a girl. The other one is black and white, also a girl. And the third one is also black and white and it's a boy. We can choose between, I think, the one boy or the two girls.
Yes.
And but we're not sure. We want to go inside and just look.
Yeah, we want to see them, and then we have to speak with these guys, and then let's see.
Yeah, and they want also to talk with us, just to know our character, just to give us the cat that match to us. And they want to ask us some question like where do you live, how do you live, how is if you have a garden, if you have a balcony, if you stay often outside, what you do when you go on holiday, do you have a cat sitter. So all these very important things they want to check them, and just to be sure to give the cats to people that are good and that match to the cats. And so Dominic and we had this cat that was a lonely cat. So Luna, she was alone. She was always happy to be alone. She doesn't want it to be with other cats.
Yes.
She was to us very nice, and but she was older, so she wanted to be very. She didn't play anymore too much.
Yes,
We
she
are.
was a little bit slow.
She was slow and just a very comfy cat, you know,
Yes,
and
just chilling.
chilling. Yeah, and now we want to look also maybe they can be another character.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah, it's okay.
We are very open-minded.
Yes.
We think that the right cat will come, and we hope it is the day today. And yeah, the most important thing is we have a lot of love to give
Yes.
and a lot of patience, and yeah. So
Okay.
we go inside now, and we are not allowed to film inside, so we can't show you, but we will
When we come out,
we
we will say to you.
how it was, and
Yes.
we will tell you what happened. So guys,
Okay, guys. Hello.
yeah,
So, How is this looking?
Let's go because it's hot.
Yes.
We have not one kitten, not 3 kittens, we have 2 kittens.
Yeah, we take 2 kittens.
And we have 2 girls. So
2
Dominic,
girls. I'm with 3 girls.
you can give this for the
Yeah.
video up. We are outside now. We have 3 girls. It was the choice of Dominic to take 2 girls because I wanted to take also a boy, but we want to have a family with all the
Yes.
girlies. So
Yes, I like to have around me.
with all the girlies. So let's go
So,
home because we have to bring them
we have
home.
to do a lot now.
We have to do a lot and we keep you in touch.
Yes.
And let's go because
Yes.
it's hot and I want to take the kittens home.
Yeah, we show you the kitten very soon.
Yeah,
Or
the two.
let's show it now.
I made the video before.
Oh,
Come, let's go. Amor,
let's go.
So now we arrived home. The kitties are here. Dominic is going to buy some stuff for the cats. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Let's go home, girlies. So, okay, let's open this and let's see what happened. They are a bit afraid, I think, because they don't know what happened, but just do it like that. Okay, I'm very excited to see what happened. Now, girls, come outside. Let's see what happened. You are home, girlies. I knew that Lila would be the first of coming out. She's a bit more, oh girly, she's not so afraid, but Mia is a bit afraid, I think. Okay, you are home, girlies, everything is good. Come outside, come on, come. I will prepare you something to drink, girl. Oh, look how little, oh my god, Mia. So there's everything wet because okay, no, this is the entrance. Come. Hi, girlies. It's the first time that we have 2 cats. This is a very new experience. Kitties. Ciao. Mia. Who run the world? Girls. Hey. We choose them together because they told us that they are very good friends. So we don't want to separate them. Lila, come here. Okay, they are not dogs. If you name call the name of the cats, they are not listening, I think. Mia is exploring the kitchen. Mia, ciao. So, let's give the kitten something to eat and prepare this. They give kisses in the bathroom, the smallest place in our apartment.
Maybe.
Hi. She's next to the toilet. They like the bathroom, you know,
Yeah.
the cats.
Maybe it's not so hot inside.
Yeah, it's good. I mean, our apartment is not hot, but yeah. Yeah, the same color, black and white.
Ah, black and white.
Guys, I can't believe that I forget. Dominic, it's all your fault.
It's my fault, yes.
Baby.
Finally.
We have to choose the name. We thought about Mia and Maya. So I will ask you guys if you have any ideas of names for the cats. We thought about Maya and Mia. We don't know who is who. Yeah. So guys, we need to cook. We didn't had really lunch or something today. And I think we should rest this evening just to get a bit.
It was a little bit stressful this day, but it was very beautiful to take them.
Yeah.
And so, guys,
we will have now
dinner
and relax on the sofa
and doing nothing
and just enjoy
and
life
playing with the new cats.
Exactly. So we hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe.
Yes.
And see you next time.
See you. Bye.
Bye.